So we've got the GoPro. Anyway, so guys, we bought it from JB Hi-Fi today, and we will unbox it. So in the website it's $199, and then we found this one, and then we showed it to the lady. She scanned, and it's only $119. So instead of paying $199, we only paid $119 because there's a savings of $80. So we will unbox this today, guys, because we will get ready for our travel to the Philippines. So we will unbox this one as well. And this is our the handle with the battery on for the GoPro 11. Although it's suitable for 11, 10, 9. I think that's what the lady said. But yeah, this is it. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. This is the Volta GoPro battery grip tripod remote. So it's $199 and we got it for $119 in JB Hi-Fi. So really, oh, I don't want to wreck it. Just don't want to wreck it. Just in case we return it. But yeah, I'll wreck it. Oh my god. Oh yeah, you're supposed to wreck it like this. Anyway. Alright, so here it comes. Okay. La la. Okay. It comes with a user guide, of course, and this is manual there. So oh my god, where do I begin? Anyway, where do I begin? So this is a clip, a hook. This is a connector. And, oh, it's actually very light. And this is the cable where you connect it to the GoPro. And this is, oh, that's a bit strange, but yeah, that's the front. That's record button. That's the Bluetooth, power on, battery, camera, or a video. So we'll open that in a second. We'll just see what else comes in here. And this is a cable. Get out of there. So this one's a cable. It's not that long. It doesn't come with a charger though. So just that one. That's how long the cable is. So 1, 2, 3. It also got a hand thing. Call that one. So yeah. And then this one opens like that. It's like a grasshopper. Anyway, so that's how it looks like. And if you want to put it like that, you can. If you want to put it like that, so it will stand up. So I think the GoPro, if you put it on like here, it will face forward. But yeah, that's how it looks like. So that's the front there. And you can hook it up here. And it's a magnetic one. This one here is a magnetic. Just close that. And you started vlogging. So this is actually pretty good. So it is actually 4 hours. There's a battery here. This actually is a battery. This one, this part is the battery, and you can charge that as well. And it takes 4 hours. Last 4 hours. And this one, I think you can take this off. I don't know. Can you? I don't know. But that one you can take it off, and then you can hook it up. Hook it on your bag or something. Just like this one here. So let's find out how to open that. Oh yeah, there it is. So yeah, so you can hook it up to anywhere, and then you just plug like that. How do you close it? I don't know. Oh yeah, you just press that button and it will close it, and when you open it, just press that again. How did I do that before? Yeah, so press. Okay. So that's the grip, GoPro grip.
How does it feel?
It feels a little bit heavy, but it's fine, and it's not as slippery as the one that I bought the other day. So yeah, that's how it is, and we'll try it on with the GoPro 11 soon, and we'll show you the video quality. So thanks guys for watching with this unboxing. So hopefully we will use it soon. And $199, and we got it for $119. Good bargain. And don't forget to subscribe.